everyone! We're on the family camping trip today. Cooking outdoors feels so refreshing. I'm going to introduce two main dishes and two side dishes, all made using just one pan or one pot. I'll use this large grill pan. Let's start with steak and garlic rice. I'm gonna use residual heat to keep the steak juicy, and I'll show you an umami tip for the garlic rice. First, cut the beef fat from the steak. Season the steak with salt and pepper.
ねえねえ、減ったよ。食べていい？
これまだ食べれないの。これ焼かないとね。
食べていい？
あ、no。触らないよ、ゆいちゃん。
Slice 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Saute the beef fat until it becomes crispy. Set the beef fat aside. Saute half of the sliced garlic until fragrant. Set the garlic aside. And cook the steak for about 1 minute on each side. Then wrap it in the foil and let it rest for 3 minutes. Let's make the sauce. In the same pan, add 20 grams of butter and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and mix it with the steak drippings. Done! Let's make garlic rice. Wipe the pan lightly. Add another 20 grams of butter. Once the butter melts, add the sliced garlic. Cook slowly over low heat. Add 2 cups of cooked rice and stir fry. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Here is the umami tip. Add a half pack of bonito flakes and mix. Have you ever felt that your garlic rice is a bit bland? That's because it's missing the innocent to boost umami. You can also add chopped sausage or beef instead. Alright, season with salt and pepper and some soy sauce. It's done! Let's check the steak. It looks great! Slice it and place it on top of the rice. Sprinkle with parsley. Add the sauce and fry the garlic. And it's ready! Looks delicious!
いましょう。
はい、どうぞ。
どう？グー？柔らかいんじゃない？
The steak is juicy and tender. Adults can enjoy the steak with a bit of wasabi for extra flavor.
ゆうちゃんこれ一番美味しいよこのお肉。
おいしい？おいしい？いいか？
あんして。
おいしい？
あ、よかった。いっぱい食べて。
ゆうちゃんどうぞ。
Next, I'll make the side dish. Parmesan broccoli. Broccoli is rich in glutamate, which is a key umami component. And I'm adding parmesan, another umami-packed ingredient. This is going to be delicious. First, cut the broccoli into small florets and then herb them to help absorb more flavor. Heat some olive oil in the pan. Cook the broccoli for about 3 minutes, turning occasionally. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of parmesan. Add 2 tablespoons of sake. Cover with a lid and steam for about 3 minutes.
Bonjour.
Finally, add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Let it sizzle for 10 seconds. Done! A simple and delicious side dish. The parmesan is slightly toasted, making it incredibly fragrant.
Ah.
おいしい。グー。グー。グー。グー。マン。マン。せーの。
乾杯。
これある？
あるああいいよ大丈夫よ
ママのない？外だって入れた。
ありがとう。
優しいねゆうちゃんね
みたいのない。
ああ最悪だ
いっぱい入れた。
パパとママの全部足した
It's a rainy camping trip today, but I kind of like it. The sound of the rain is so relaxing.
パパがキッコ見たよ。
キコ？あ、キノコ？何色のキノコだった？
黄色だった。
黄色だったんだ。あったかいの飲んで。
体冷えている。
あったまった。
温まった。
あ、よかったよかった。
Now let's prepare fluffy pork shabu shabu. It stays tender and delicious even when cooled. First, cut the vegetables you like. Today I'm using carrot, bok choy, and lettuce. Boil the vegetables in plenty of water. Once they are cooked, drain them in a colander. In the same pot, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, boil the sliced pork berry, move the vegetable to a serving plate, then drain the pork berry in the colander. Don't throw away the water. It's full of umami from the vegetables and pork. It's perfect for making soup.
相手のとこで。
いくよ。
また。
また。
Now, let's make the sauce. Mix 1.5 tablespoon vinegar, 1.5 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, a half tablespoon sugar, and 2 tablespoons sesame seeds. You can pre-measure these at home. Place the sliced pork berry over the vegetables. Pour the sauce. And it's done. The pork belly is fluffy and tender. And the savory sauce makes the vegetable so delicious.
座ってごらん、座って。今見えるでしょ。どう？
とわーい、どうもー。
はい、どうぞ。
あー美味しそうじゃんゆうちゃんほら。
早く食べたい。
あいいじゃんほらいけたいけた。
お、食べた？どうですか？
No。
なんで食べて出かけるの？
美味しい。
野菜もたくさん取れる。
なんだ。
私レタス茹でたの好きなんだよね。
大丈夫か。
あら。ママの食べてんのゆうちゃん。自分のそっちよ。どこ行くの？
Lastly, let's make Japanese style butter soy sauce pasta. The combination of butter and soy sauce is so flavorful.
ない？
This pasta is my husband's favorite, so I make it often. Saute 2 or 3 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive
匂いが
oil.
してるよね。
いい匂いする？
When it becomes fragrant, add 2 slices of bacon. Once the bacon starts to crisp, add 100 grams half a packet of shimeji mushroom and 100 grams of vegetable fillet. I'm using bell peppers today. Once the vegetables and mushrooms are cooked, set them aside. Cook the pasta in the same grilled pan. This allows the pasta to soak up the umami from the mushroom and vegetables. Add 400 ml of water, 1 packet of dashi powder, 1 tablespoon mirin and 1 teaspoon salt, and cook 200 grams pasta. When it dries out, add a little water.
ね吐き出したらさゆいちゃんこれベア来ちゃうよ。
もうやってたよ。
クマいた。ねえ。クマいる。
Once the pasta is cooked, put the mushrooms vegetable back in. Add 20 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I like to keep a little of the water for smoothness. Top with grated onions and it's ready. The rich flavor of butter and the savory aroma of soy sauce. So delicious.
食べよ
はい
こっちの入れる？
うん。
う。ほんと？
はいチーズ。
イエイ。
はいチーズ。チーズ。チーズ。ローリローリローリローリローリローリ。
すごい。
何これ先生。
どう？
おいしい。
美味しい？あ、よかった。どうする？ヤミー？今日はノーって言うね。美味しくない？そうなんだ。じゃあ食べなくていいよ、ゆいちゃんも。
食べるよ。
美味しいって時はね、美味しいって言ってくれた方がママ嬉しいな。
おいしい。
ありがとう。
おいしくない。おいしくない。
Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.